Hi, Joseph. It's
Hi.
good to see you again. Just a reminder, I'm Hope. I'm your school-based OT that's going to be working with you this semester. How'd your soccer game go yesterday?
It was fun. We won, just barely, but we won.
Good. Love to hear that. That's awesome. So I know last week we talked about that you were really struggling with word problems. Do you find that you feel like OT can help you?
Yeah, I'm hoping so because it's not something I'm very good at right now.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. So with OT, what I've made for you is a word problem solving guide. So as you can see from the pictures, it's kind of soccer themed since I know how much you like soccer. So I figure I'm going to go over this with you and then we'll try a word problem together. What do you think?
Awesome.
So step one is, what do I know? And for that, I have labeled like the picture as the grass, because just like with soccer, we're just starting out, you're just starting out on the grass, pulling information from the word problem of what do we need to know. And then we've got an arrow with a soccer ball. So you're kind of kicking over to step two, figuring out what you need to find from the word problem, kind of pulling out what you need the answer to be and how you're going to get there. And then we push over to step three, which is a person kicking a ball, and that's what operations will you need. And we just have all four operations listed there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we'll just kind of circle those and see which ones you would need to solve the word problem. And then step four is the workspace. That's where you can solve the problem, take as much space as you need. You can flip to the back. And then number four would be the solution. Number five. And that kind of has the soccer with the goal, and that's however you can find the solution to your problem. So with this, the hope would be that we're gonna laminate this and we're gonna keep it in Miss Johnson, your math teacher's classroom, and you can just get an expo marker and just kind of go through the word problem. She said it's totally fine for you to use it in class, on tests and everything. And we're just gonna go through the word problem in class using this, and hopefully it would make it simpler for you to pull out information and solve it and see what you need.
Awesome. Yeah, this really lays it out for me. Thank you. Helps me stay organized.
Of course. So let's try one. I've got my word problem over here. We're going to try, you have 15 yards of ribbon for your gift boxes. Each box gets the same amount of ribbon. How much ribbon will each of your 20 gift boxes get? So from the first part, I'll kind of walk through this one with you. What do I know? From this, we know that we have 15 yards of ribbon. So we can write that down in the box. Awesome. We know that each box gets the same amount of ribbon. That'll be important when we solve the problem. Awesome. And then we know that at the end, we're gonna need 20 gift boxes. Does that make sense to you? Love it. So then what do we need to find is we need to find that last question of the problem is normally what you need to find. We need to find how much ribbon will each of the 20 gift boxes get. So we can just write ribbon for 20 gift boxes in that little number two. Amazing. And then we can kick down to number three. What operations will we need? What do you think? What kind of operations we would need for this problem?
Okay. So if we have 15 yards and each box gets the same amount, and we have to spread it across 20 boxes, then is that dividing it out?
Yes, amazing. So you can go ahead and circle division, and then you can kick over to 4, and that's kind of the space for you to work the problem out. So you can just do it really quick.
Okay.
See what you got. Awesome. Okay, I think that looks good. And then you can write your solution at the bottom. Awesome. Thank you, Joseph.
Awesome.
Do you think you'll be able to use this in class?
Yeah, I should be able to.
Okay, cool. So then next week we'll just keep working on integrating this, and I'll have Miss Johnson keep track on you using it and your progress.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks.